Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear friend, I'm Lutfi, Lutfi, CBI 1D. Let's learn how to pronounce sound. A, O, 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 O. With me. Okay, number one. Rearrange and count study. Rearrange and count study. My father likes black. My father likes black. Dina brings apples to school. Dina brings apples to school. Number 4. Dark dates. Dark dates. Number 5. My family is very funny and happy. My family is very funny and happy. Number 6. Uncle tried the food. Uncle tried the food. Number 7. Brush the money in the bank. Brush the money in the bank. Number 8. Mother's money is very much. Mother money is very much. Number 9. The cat doing the attraction. The cat doing the attraction. Number 10. Actually animals are interesting. Actually animals are interesting. Number 11. Mother of nugget sister and mother of nugget sister. Number 12. Sister macaroni left at home. Sister macaroni left at home. Number 13. Grandpa back cut the grass. Grandpa back cut the grass. Number 14. Your cup is trouble. Your cup is trouble. Number 15. The flower you bought are beautiful. The flower you bought are beautiful. Okay, next sound O and O. Number 1. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Number 2. The owl talked with the hunter. The owl talked with the hunter. Number 3. The clothes were sold. The clothes were sold. Number 4. He went for sports. He went for sports. Number 5. Brown wood. Brown wood. Number 6. Long stuff. Long stuff. Number 7. Daddy is walking for shoes. Daddy is walking for shoes. Number 8. Men's shoe store is bankrupt. Men's shoe store is bankrupt. Number 9. The mango juice is packed in a bottle. The mango juice is packed in a bottle. Number 10. The dog made a sound. The dog made a sound. Number 11. The door has a hole. The door has a hole. Number 12. Nina woke up and headed to the bathroom. Nina woke up and headed to the bathroom. Number 13. The long floor. The long floor. The long floor. Number 14. He sang the song of dawn. He sang the song of dawn. Number 15. Donkey who woke up from his sleep. Donkey who woke up from his sleep. Next sound O and O. Number 1. Very touched because you are keen. Very touched because you are keen. Number 2. Yes, you just bruised. Yes, you just bruised. Number 3. You have to cook. Yeah, you have to cook. Number 4. He chose the book. He chose the book. Number 5. That includes the right look. That includes the right look. Number 6. He's ducks with absolutes. He's ducks with absolutes. Number 7. Cross puts iron. Cross puts iron. Number 8. The woman is so cute. The woman is so cute. Number 9. Yes, of course, it's you wool. Yes, of course, it's you wool. Number 9. You are cute and that's the truth. You are cute and that's the truth. Number 11. They choose the church rules. The cues, the church rules. Number 12. Good June. Good June. Good June. Number 13. All groups push me. All groups push me. Number 14. The soup tastes like sugar. The soup tastes like sugar. Number 15. My goods are noisy. My goods are noisy. Dan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.